Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to settings and go ahead to sound and notifications, and depending on your Android version it determines whether you need an external app. And for this version I need an external app because I do not have the option of reading recent messages. So you go ahead to a Play Store and we are going to search for an app called WAMR. Go ahead and search for WMR, recover deleted messages, and we are going to install this app. It should only take a few seconds, and we are going to open it. So enable and open. So it is very easy to use. All you have to do is give it access, permission to access your media files, and once you delete a message on WhatsApp, it will be directly transferred to this account. So you go ahead and allow media, click on use this folder, allow, and notification access. So you go to WMR and you allow notifications, and you go back, click continue to WMR, click on the arrow next, and here you are. So once you delete a message, it will be sent directly to this app. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.